So we're going to start working on looping tricks. Looping tricks is done with a yo-yo. It looks just like this. This is sometimes called an imperial shaped yo-yo. Duncan, I think, actually has a trademark on that name, so some of the other yo-yo companies just call them rounded shape yo-yo. But pretty much the yo-yo comes up, over, and you'll notice the gap is really tight on this. The reason this is so the string can grab it, really shoot it out fast, and you have a lot more control for when you're throwing it. So this is a looping yo-yo. What you want to do when you're first starting looping, I think we already touched on forward pass, and we're going to touch on this again, but I'm going to give you an idea of what looping looks like. It's throwing the yo-yo out repeatedly, controlling it. This is a style that it's one of the most basic styles of yo-yoing. If you went back 30 years, people were still doing these kind of tricks. And what they do now with them at a competition is two-handed versions. We're going to be doing a two-handed version a little bit later, and you'll be able to watch those tricks and learn them too. But first learn these. This is basic looping. And let's start.